hold your whiteboards up, please?
A teacher is always assessing.
OK, well, there's lots of different answers.
You can use the whiteboards to assess a whole class at once. This is a very effective way of assessing because you can ask a question and everybody can give you a response simultaneously.
So can you on your whiteboard write down any words at all that you remember to do with functions? By using open questioning with the whiteboards, I can assess what they remember from last lesson.
You can immediately get a view of where everybody is.
OK then, can we all hold our whiteboards up and let's see what we've got?
And that's really a nice way to start a lesson.
Find y by putting the x values into the second derivative.
You get a chance to assess during the lesson while you're walking around just to see what they're writing down.
You only use the x values and put them into the second derivative to find y.
And you don't have to talk to them, you don't have to interfere to find out what they're thinking, so you just have to observe.
Keep going, guys, you're on the right lines, that's really good, keep going.
There are other teachers we've watched who go into the group, they listen and they pose a problem.
What did you look for here to be able to get this to be negative? Hopefully with the forms of activity and the use of whiteboards, I'm able to establish if the whole group have understood and if some students need support.
I can wander around and just have conversations with people.
I thought it was supposed to be a straight line.
And why wouldn't it be a straight line then?
It wouldn't be if it's a gradient didn't go up and down and back up again.
Okay,
up and down.
so that's why you've got them all the different shapes. Well spotted. You explain to me why you've got this.
Listening to the students, seeing what they're writing down.
I'm questioning them.
Original one was x squared.
Yeah.
If you differentiate that, it's going to be x graph.
Sometimes they'll ask me to check, is this right?
So do we put a figure in for T ourselves?
Well, it depends what you're trying to find, what you're trying to do. I'd rather ask them the question back and say, well, you tell me why you think it's right.
I think Maeve wants a bit of help, Sarah.
Yep.
Or if they've got a partner, do you agree that it's right?
Oh, right.
What's it telling you?
Rather than me just saying, yes, that's right, that's great. So I think listening and asking them, throwing the question back at them, I think is really quite important.
You might want to check something else to see if that really is the one, but that's good. Good thinking.